All right. Welcome everyone to our GeoMaths class presentation here. December is Thursday, coming in for the break. My name is Afia Matsimoyo. I'm the instructor, and we have in this section of our class we have Brother Salu, Brother Ola, Brother Malachi, and Allende. The topic that they're working is to look at how much we withheld in our spending on Black Friday. How much did we not spend on Black Friday? And we're going to jump quickly here to first talk about how much we have to spend. Brother Salu, are you there?
Yes.
All right, Brother Salu, tell us first of all what our spending power is. What is it looking like for 2017? How much do we have to spend?
13.7% of the total population.
Yeah, that is our population. And spending power, how much money do we have to spend, Brother Salu? That
43 million.
That 1.3 trillion figure. $1.3 trillion is what we're spending. And you're going to tell us how many people as well? How many black people?
43 million.
Absolutely.
African Americans.
That's us, 43 million. So the figure that we're taking forward is that 1.3 trillion. That's so critical. Now, Brother Malachi, would you kick us off now to tell us how much we did withhold during Black Friday? We started this piece to look at how much we did actually withhold. We know that during Black Friday we were told to boycott. I'm going to pull this down a little bit so we can see it. And how much did we actually withhold from our spending on Black Friday?
We withhold $1 billion.
Excellent. And Brother Allende, how much did we have? How much are we dealing with spending, as Brother Salu already told us?
1.3 trillion.
Excellent. I'm loving them saying this language. Billion, trillion. We're talking dollars here, y'all. So, Brother Malachi, go ahead and help us know how to figure out what percentage did we withhold. Go ahead and tell us the math of that. Just tell us what you how you worked that out here.
Well, first, 1,300,000,000,000 cannot go into 1 billion, so we're going to have to add those zeros at the end of 1 billion.
Excellent. Thank you, Brother Malachi. Some of us will remember that back to our long division classes. What was your final answer there in red, Brother Malachi? Go ahead and tell us that final answer.
It was decimal point 0769.
Excellent. Now we're going to do a little rounding here to get ourselves two numbers after the decimal. Brother Allende, tell us a rounding rule.
5 and up you round up, and 4 and down you round down.
Excellent. So we're going to then go ahead and come up down to decimal 0008. And to take this to percent, what is the rule to go from a decimal to a percent? Let's go with anybody who wants to answer on this one quickly. Going from a decimal to a percent. Brother Malachi. Go ahead. Go ahead.
You have to move twice to the right.
Excellent. So we wind up with decimal 08%. And I'm going to move down a little bit here. Brother Allende, can you give that to us tell us how to say that in fraction form? I'm still trying to...
800s.
800s, hundreds? Is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay, Malachi, let's have you say it in fraction form. Brother Malachi?
800 out of 100.
Excellent. Excellent way to say it. 800 out of 100. 800s. Hundreds. And what we talked about in class, everybody, is that we're not at 1% yet, right? We're not quite at 1%. As Aina said, we're in fraction form now. We're a part of a whole. So we still need 92 hundredths to make 1% of our total spending. We're on our way, though, and that's what the students were able to see, that we did make a dent. We're on our way. We are at 800 hundredths of a percent of our spending. We did withhold the 1 billion. Excuse me. That's how much we did not spend with them. And Brother Olanian now is going to show us just a little bit about what it will mean for us to spend with each other. I'm looking for one more slide here. Just bear with me. There we go. Let's pull it down here for taping. Brother Olanian, show us what it would mean if 200 families spend just $100 with our businesses. We're talking about our black businesses. Go right ahead.
Okay, so 200 families times $100 equals $20,000.
Yes, and that might not be so impressive to some. Let's say if we got 50 families though to do that, 50 families to get together, 200 people who will commit to spending $100, how much money will we be looking at? Anybody can answer. Does everybody remember?
You please say the question again?
We're looking at actually $20,000, Brother Malachi, multiplied by 50 families. What would that?
That will equal 1 million.
It surely will. $1 million. That sounds a little bit more impressive. It's money, and we'd be on our way to spending that $1,300,000 with ourselves, with each other, black businesses. As Kwanzaa's coming up, that's exciting for all of us, and we're going to share this presentation actually at one of our Kwanzaa celebrations. I want to thank our students, Brother Malachi, Brother Allende, Brother Olanian, and Brother Salu for this presentation, for showing us the math of black spending. I know you're going to get some big ups, you'll get some kudos, and probably some questions. I'm going to close us out now from our taping.